Hi, I'm Karen Salmon. I'm the CEO here at Force Technologies. We are about to begin our 40th year of trading, which is no mean feat given the way the semiconductor industry, has changed over the past 40 years and the way manufacturing and distribution has changed. However, one thing that does stick with us is our commitment to our customers. It has always been our number one, and it will continue to be our number one, resonating through our core values and all the staff I have here at Force. For those of you who follow us on LinkedIn, you will see that in March I announced that we had won a major £5 million contract from an aerospace company in the UK who had struggled with their previous supplier. We have worked endlessly on this project, and this week, on Monday, I received the following email. So I shall read it to you. Obviously, for privacy reasons, I can't really reveal the name of the company. However, it is from the VP of UK Operations. Dear Force Technologies team, I wanted to extend our sincere thanks for the exceptional effort and dedication you have shown over the past few weeks to us. Your hard work and extended working hours have not gone unnoticed, and we're incredibly grateful for your commitment to supporting our products. Your work on the FPGA and processor packages has been outstanding. Your expert inputs and consistent drive have led to valuable product improvements and reduced lead times across all devices. Your collaboration, responsiveness, and technical excellence has been pivotal to us, and we strive to meet a very aggressive timeline to support our customers. Please pass on our appreciation to everyone involved. We look forward to continuing this strong collaboration. So, apologies. So proud of my team, and we have worked incredibly hard. But when you get something like that from a customer, it means something. So here's to the next 40 years. I probably won't be around, but my team will be to support you in your projects. Thank you.